In this video, we're going to be talking about affirmations, one of my favorite things. These tiny little sentences can help improve your self-esteem, keep your willpower strong, and also to improve positivity in your mind and your outlook so that you can achieve all your goals in a beautiful, holistic way. Welcome to the Liz and Scats channel. Hello, I'm Liz and I'm a clinical holistic therapist, yoga and meditation teacher. And with my husband Scats, we have lost an awful lot of weight and reversed Scats' type 2 diabetes symptoms using the keto and intermittent fasting lifestyle. Now, that wasn't all that we wanted to do. We ended up not only looking after the physical side, but our mental health and our emotional side as well. And affirmations are a big part of this. We have an awful lot of information and skills that we can pass on to you. So help us to help you by doing this.
Subscribe, and click on the bell.
So what are affirmations? Lots of people ask me this all the time, and I get a lot of children especially asking me in my yoga classes. Without even realizing it, you may have affirmed yourself by telling yourself certain things, like, all I can do is my best. I've got what it takes. I believe I can succeed. Now, just these three little things is the knowledge in your brain. It switches things around, and that is actually known as neuroplasticity. Affirmations have a beautiful way of shifting the way that you think and perceive your failures and successes. It's a direct focus towards your strengths rather than your weaknesses. Focusing on those can actually make you believe that you can do anything, and you can. So back to neuroplasticity. This is the brain's ability to change and adapt to different circumstances throughout your life. And it actually offers us a clue as to how affirmations physically work in your brain. So your brain can actually get a little bit confused between reality and imagination on occasion. And if all of our self-talk is negative, then we are going to perceive that this is actually reality when it isn't. Speaking out loud regular affirmations to yourself, or even if you just want to do them quietly in your own head, can actually encourage your brain to take the positive affirmations as fact. It is a little bit like fake it till you make it, because a lot of us, like myself included, have very low self-esteem, and so we just need to say these things to ourselves in order to bolster ourselves up and get things done. Now, the thing about affirmations is that they don't work unless you do them regularly, because your brain will fall back into its previous patterns unless you keep it up. So how long does it take for affirmations to actually work? I have to tell you, it is different for absolutely everybody. For me, it can take months. But however, if you persist with it, then you can actually make it work. I've seen it and I've done it myself. On occasion, I've picked exactly the right words to say, and I've ended up feeling better within minutes of actually doing the affirmations each morning. So when to do your affirmations? It's always best to do them either first thing in the morning. You can do them when you're brushing your teeth or when you're having a wash, in the shower. Best to do them in front of a mirror and look at yourselves in the eyes. Know that this is really good for you and that this will help you to get through your goals. Affirmations help you to have faith in yourself and to realize that you can actually change the way that you're thinking. And it also helps you to just boost that self-esteem, which we could all do with from time to time. Most people find that they need to say affirmations between 5 and 10 minutes every day. I try and do affirmations in the morning when I'm getting ready, or just when I've woken up, and then at the end of the day as well. This just sort of seals the day, and everything in between can be a positive and hopefully more strong-willed in order to reach our goals. So now, what should we be saying to ourselves? I'm now going to read from my computer in front of me a few affirmations, and maybe you can start from here and just listen to them instead of actually saying them yourselves. But it is a very important way of actually getting them into your brain, is to say them, physically say them to yourselves. But listening to affirmations also has a profound effect. So here we go. I am loved. I am safe. I have friends who love me. I am helpful. I am kind. I can do anything I put my mind to. I am intelligent. I learn from my mistakes. I am calm. I am brave. I make good decisions. I am enough. I am caring. I have courage. I forgive myself. I forgive others who have wronged me. I respect myself. I respect my friends. I respect my family. I am a good influence. I love myself. I like myself. I have very strong willpower. I can achieve my goals. I will ask for help when it's needed. These are just a few words and statements that really do mean a lot to me, and I often affirm these to myself in the mornings and in the evenings. A lot of those were actually chosen by people and clients and students of mine, and so I do like to incorporate them because it's other people's influences coming in. Ask your friends, ask your family, and ask in the comments if you want some more affirmations for you to use every single day. Thank you for watching.